say what doesn't kill you, that makes you strong. So I don't tweet where my heart fell, I couldn't prolong. I just look at my palms, I'm dead wrong. They all bruised up, counting on the under the headstones. Think my head gone, think I might go. Think I might go. 35 racks out in loose, got the in my tote bags when I ain't new to those. Thinking my lit bad shot, Snapchat, pay to show my ass on the star, you can get used to those. Every day big party, bunch of age, man, the fat, need a GoPro, every day t-shirt. I'm on the road, only see me and I try to explain how I'm feeling. Guess that's how I go, like Post Malone. No sense when I speak when I'm thinking. That's when friends search the phone. Better not keep your eyes close in position if you start to blinkin. Everything by the honchos, everyone sure to turn cold if it's about to go, so watch for your soul. They say what doesn't kill you, that makes you strong. So I don't tweet where my heart fell, I couldn't prolong. I slay myself with a headphone. What's the chance they gon' understand if I open up? So I go ahead, man, put the mic on. I know I'm dead wrong, I know I'm dead wrong, but I'm not the only one to feel like they been led on. They be dead wrong, why they repeat the same lies that already been said once? And it always ain't on the bad note, so I don't think I'm gonna shed none. No material, come for blow around here, you can try, boy, dead one. They say what doesn't kill you, that makes you strong. So I don't tweet where my heart fell, I couldn't prolong.